In this video, we are going to see how we can adjust the headers and footers in Google Docs. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have this header section by default in the Google Docs. As you can see, the document starts at a distance. So if you want to edit that or adjust that, or you want to add a header that goes across all the document and reflects on all the pages, whether it's a logo or a company name or a title of a book, you just double click on this header and you will find a placing here. Let me just switch to editing mode and you will see it like this. So let's say if we want to say my company project, you can fix that. We click on the main document section and this is fixed, header is closed. But if we scroll down, you will see this my company project is mentioned at every single page. And that's the purpose of the header and footer. But if you want to just make any changes to it, just double click on it. You have the options. You have the header format options where you can adjust the distance from bottom and from the top. Let's say if you want to decrease the distance to 0.3 and 0.3, you can apply and you can see it change here. Also, we can add some page numbers that starts with 1. You can place it however you want. Let's say instead of this, we only want to mention the page numbers. Click on the page numbers and we have this numbering starting from 1. Click apply and you will see it goes all across the document. And similarly, we can do that for the footer. All we have to do is just go down to the bottom and just double click to enable this, and you can format the footer, add the page numbers, add a custom text, or even remove the footer if you want to increase the capacity. So it comes with the similar options. And also if you want to, let's say, align this page number towards right, what we do is just insert the page number and click on the more tab and align, set it towards right, and just click anywhere in the document and you will see it change for the complete document. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.